Hey, hi, I'm Edna Kimble from Tahlequah, Oklahoma, and my number one tip for a new agent is to work your sphere. Call everyone you know and ask them who do they know that's looking to sell or buy. Okay, so if you need business right now, the best thing to do is follow up. Go back to every person who's ever called you, text you, phoned you, whatever, even if it's like through Facebook, and say, hey, I know that you were interested a month or so ago. Where are you at with that process now? Because most of the time, there was a reason why they didn't finish, and so just follow up. That's the key. So 2020, our number one focus is going to be follow-up and accountability. We are going to get super serious with both of those areas.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.